Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this one we are going to talk about how to install Jupyter Notebook using CMD in 3 steps. Step 1. Installing Python. Remember, if you already have Python installed in your laptop and you're using it, you can skip this step. Put your browser and search for python.org. In this website, in the Downloads tab, you can find the latest version of Python. Click on it, download it and install it. After installing Python, open your CMD and check if you've installed it correctly. Just type python --version. If you see this here, you're okay. Step 2. Installing PIP. Open your browser again, go to pip.pipa.io. Also, you can find this link in the description below. Go to installation part. Here you can find a Python file, get-pip.py. Right click on it and save it on your desktop. Open the CMD again, go to desktop directory by CD and just write python get-pip.py and press enter. Basically, we are running the file that we just downloaded.
A few moments later.
And now we have successfully installed PIP. Step 3. Installing Jupyter Notebook. And now just open your CMD again and type pip install Jupyter Notebook. Press enter and this will install the Jupyter Notebook for you. But here, as you can see, it's actually mentioning that requirement already satisfied. It means that I have already installed the Jupyter Notebook on my device. But in your case, guys, it would be something like the installation is done, or the Jupyter Notebook has been installed successfully, and something like this. And now if you want to run Jupyter Notebook, you can simply say Jupyter Notebook. If you press enter, and we're going to have the Jupyter Notebook opened, and here you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.